Well, hello all. I have this crank from a bicycle and I'm hoping to cut this off and just leave us with these, well, I guess you could call them cogs. And then I'm going to hopefully turn this biggest cog into a battle axe, that maybe a throwing axe. So the first thing I've got to do is cut this whole pedal off. So let's get stuck into trying to do that. Okay, that seems to be working. So now we're going to put a handle on this throwing axe. So I'm trying to find a nice straightish piece. I think this will do. So let's mark where we're going to put holes. Say we put a hole there for that hole. We can have another hole there. Right, let's put an edge on these. Well, those teeth are super sharp. So we're going to throw from about 6 meters away.